It's morning again! Hello, world. Ugh, my neck! Not the best start. Sure was a cold one last night. How many blankets did I sleep with? Seriously? Finally! That took forever. So cozy. Guess I'll get ready. I really could use a haircut. I'll schedule it. Today feels like a gold day. Or maybe… nah. These choices are so hard. Perfect. My magic toothbrush! Just look at this beauty! Only the best for my pearly whites. Sparkle for sparkle! Extra toothpaste, please. I think I prefer the blue kind. Okay, this is way better now. And to top it off, let's get some of the cinnamon stuff. That works for me. That coffee machine is calling me. Let's fill her up. Better than the coffee shop. And no annoying lines. Good morning to me. That was the best dream. Thanks for keeping me warm, bed. Steady as a rock. Deep breath. And hold. 29. And 30. Phew! Better than coffee. My hair looks decent. Gotta have sparkling teeth to match. Gross! My hair's all over this thing! Ugh! Do I have another one? Perfect. Hey! Gah! Come on! Anything left in there? Look! Got some! That's good. Anything to eat for breakfast? Ooh! I was so thirsty. Any more? This isn't normal, is it? But hey, what are you gonna do?
I need to put these in my locker. I really should get a lock. Huh? A secret room? I've never noticed that before. Well, I may as well have a look around. Wow, it's so roomy. Oh, that looks cozy. At last, I have somewhere to read and study. Wow, I didn't know that. I need to come here more often.
Whoa! Hi, Ellie. Oh, why?
As if I'm talking to Justin. Ugh, I can't understand any of this. I need some me time. Luckily, I have somewhere exclusive to hang out. You need a gold card to get in. This is more like it. My happy place. Time for some fun. Oh, these look interesting. Whoa, it's so realistic. What a day. I need to relax. This is the latest security measures. You can't be too careful. Oh, you're finally here. Take a seat. I hate it when the help talks to me. I want to be pampered. Okay, I'm just gonna apply a face mask. It's the best money can buy. It's made from gold. Your skin will look like $1 million. Which is funny, because that's how much this costs. Here you go. I love my job. Why are you still here? This is the life. Huh? What was that? What a great sleep. Time to get ready. No water? How am I supposed to get washed? At least I can still brush my teeth. Who needs a toothbrush? Minty fresh. Okay. It'll have to do. What should I wear? Okay. It's cute. Well, it'll have to do. No, that yacht is too small.
Rise and shine. Oh, right. I guess I'll need to be creative.
Wow, I'm good.
Hey, wake up!
Yoo-hoo! I know, she won't be able to resist this. Gold. What a wonderful dream! Excellent work as usual.
Just doing my job.
Bye. Ugh. Oh, morning already. Where's my makeup phone? Hello? I need your help. What can I do for you? I need to look good. I need you to do my makeup. It'll cost you. Where's the money? Fine. Take it. Seriously? No way. Do I have to do everything myself?
It's test time! Oh man, this is bad! I don't have time for this stuff. Where's the answer to number 5? Ah, there it is. I can barely even read this one. Huh? Oh, this isn't what it looks like! How stupid do you think I am? Come on, hand them over. Very well then. Looks like you missed that one. Oh, this is so bad. I'm not going to forget this. What do you have up that thing? Just what I thought. You kids never learn, do you? She's still yelling. What's going on over there? Going to the bank after school? Or perhaps it's a treat for me. Nobody's watching. Just take them all. Pleasure doing business. Now this is how you get an education. Smart girl you are. Rich people get away with everything! Which one? Wonder what this one's like. Oh, so good. Mmm. So chocolatey. What's that about? Oh god! Sorry, I must have been dreaming. Sounds like you could use one of these. Here. Thanks! Oh, gross! What is this? Soup? It's gotta be 100 degrees. No wonder it tastes so bad. Hey, I know! Stuck with a warm soda? Put it in a cup and stick a popsicle stick inside. Once it's frozen, pull the whole thing out. Wow! Now the soda's ice cold again. Way better than regular soda.